just taking rest and got up, got ready. Okay. Today I am feeling hot.
Feels right. Now you are feeling hot means like maybe you are getting better.
Definitely, yes. Little, physical weakness is there, that's all. Otherwise, it's okay. And that will recover. It will take some time.
Slowly, I mean, it will take some time.
Because I have already lost 4 kg. So it will take some time. No problem. Well, so can we go for any article first?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's take something new here. South Korea, India.
So, I mean, in grammar part, okay, just trying to understand.
Okay, yes.
So we completed like kind of tenses and I mean, high level activity check. Passive voice and direct speech, indirect speech, and I think articles we completed and the prepositions and the phrases. So, do you have anything else, or are we done with? I mean, I know like whenever we come up with some new things, we discuss that I understand that part. Apart from that, topics wise, okay, we did not cover these topics entire thing or something like that. Do you think anything is there, or like are we good with like okay, at least grammar wise as per your experience and so do you understand my question, right, Shivaji?
Yes, I understood. Actually, as far as the main topics are concerned, I think we have already completed our topics, but still we can do some practice by mixing up some models with adjectives or like this, so it may give you some more exposure.
That's
that we can do. Like suppose I just give you here an example. Suppose I say the color of.
Because why I'm asking Shivaji, we are going like every day, like kind of reading and discussing.
Yes, you are right.
So my question is like going forward, what is our plan? So just I want to know that part also. Based on that, we can plan accordingly, right, Shivaji?
The color of I am just writing a sentence using adjective and models here, so it will give you kind of an idea that how we can mix up all these things with all together to make some new sentences, to have better understanding of making sentences. The color of the wall. Suppose I say the color of the wall here in my living room must be, or maybe you can say should be, or should not be as white as this particular color. Suppose I have written that sentence here. See this one. The color of the wall here in my living room should be as white as this particular color. So here we are using, modals as well as adjectives. Sometimes, we may use, it may be a question like, like you can use what suppose I say what color is to be here. For the kitchen or like this. What color is to be here? So these are, sometimes you can say most of the time in speaking, such kind of sentences are spoken when we are talking with someone or we are talking in a garage. Like suppose you are talking, how much time are you going to take? Like this you can say, how much time are you going to take to repair my car or to get my car repaired? Or it may be in passive in different way, like how much time is going to be taken for my car to repair. Getting my point? How much time
Yes.
is going to be taken for my car to be repaired. Now you see we are using to be two times here. How much time is going to, instead of that we must say how much time is it going? How much time is it going to be taken for my car to be repaired? It may be little confusing, but we have to use two times. How much time is it going to take, you can say, or going to be taken, or going to take for my car to be repaired. Clear?
Yes.
Suppose you say, or suppose you are talking to your daughter, or you are asking her to ask your wife to make something for you. So it can be a simple way or it can be in a passive way. How? Like suppose you can say, let her be asked to make a cup of tea for me. means you are asking your daughter, let her to be asked to make a cup of tea for me, मतलब उसको बोला जाए मेरे लिए एक कप चाय बनाने के लिए. और simple you can say ask her to make a cup of tea for me. Similarly, as you know, in a TV serial or sometimes we say the king say let the शरबते आजम be served, किया जाए, शरबते आजम पेश किया जाए. They speak in that way. They simply never speak like this. Serve the शरबते आजम. शरबते आजम, let the शरबते आजम be served instead of simple serve the शरबते आजम, like this.
Yes.
And having you have already used, having plus V3, and it is always followed by past indefinite. We studied that structure. Having V3 like means having had my dinner, having had my dinner, comma, I went to sleep. But sometimes these sentences may be in passive voice. Like, suppose I say having been asked. What does it mean if I say like this? Having been asked. Having asked, I am not saying that कि पूछने के बाद वो चला गया. Having asked me my name or my address or whatever. Having asked me my name and address, comma, he went away. But having been asked, यहाँ पे पैसिव हो गया है. कैसे? पूछने पर उसने बताया. उसने नहीं पूछा मुझसे कुछ. Having been asked, उससे पूछने पर उसने बताया. Having been asked, he told me his name and went away. So it may be sometimes in passive. Having been asked, sometimes on being asked is also possible.
Basically, we are trying to say two ways. One is active and one is passive.
Yes.
Both are like, as per my understanding, based on our grammar, so either it is active or passive. In that also, like is it like a direct or indirect in that active itself, or like active? I mean, active or passive? I mean, sorry, direct or indirect speech. It means like खुद ही बोला तो एक्टिव है. अगर वो बोला करके बताया तो I mean
Passive है.
Sorry,
Passive है.
as well as indirect also.
Direct indirect भी हो सकता है उसमें.
मतलब I'm saying like okay, सुबोध जी ने ऐसा बोला करके बोलना है तो उसमें indirect speech में बताना है.
हाँ.
Not direct speech.
उन्होंने ऐसा बोला, जैसे he told me this.
Yes.
But पूछने पर उसने बताया. तो on being asked or having been asked,
Okay.
actually there is very little difference in making, but the sense is totally opposite. That's why I am telling you all these things. And these are very common and very easy and very useful, and most of the time they are used.
Okay.
Yeah. Huh. Having been asked, on being asked, or Actually, I have got. Don't talk about it. Sometimes, sometimes we have to be, careful whether means a particular model is to be used. Like suppose we are talking, or you might have seen any advertisement in a newspaper regarding job or something, then it is always written that applications for this job may be submitted by the 15th of this month. They write in that way, the application form for the job may be submitted by the 15th of this month. It means maybe, means it is your choice whether you are going to apply for it or not. It's your choice, but maybe मतलब आप चाहें तो कर सकते हैं, लेकिन 15 तक करना जरूरी है. they cannot use can be. Can be में तो फिर वो ability हो जाता.
Some places they say like the applications are accepted.
Simply same thing. They can write like this also, no problem. That the applications are accepted by the 15th of this month.
Yes.
तो उसमें फिर हो गया कि आपसे आमंत्रित की जाती है, इनवाइटेड या एक्सेप्टेड, या कैंडिडेट्स आर इनवाइटेड टू सबमिट
their application before 15th.
Yes, like this they
can. There are different ways.
Yes.
The same concept, but as you said, that is correct. Okay.
Like this, you can say. Suppose sometimes I say that we may be the scholar of this particular language in future by studying hard and by gaining knowledge and all. So what I am saying, we may be the scholar of this particular language, but we cannot be the Shakespeare or Milton. Getting my point? मतलब हम स्कॉलर विद्वान तो बन सकते इंग्लिश के. We may be the scholar of that language by studying hard, by gaining knowledge about that language and all, but we can never be. अभी मैं can use कर रहा हूँ यहाँ पे, but we can never be the Shakespeare or Milton. Means we cannot reach at that level.
Same thing, right? But even for me also same thing, right? Because I may be learn English, but I cannot be like you, right? Because each person is different, right?
I am not.
The Guru is, what I mean to say, the Guru definitely maybe. Guru appreciates the Shishya, but that doesn't mean the Shishya is crossing the Guru, right? Even if you take the Puranas also, everywhere he He's like that only, right? But he enjoys the, what we call the victory of like a field show, how they are growing, but cannot be gurus. That we have to accept that.
It's okay.
Anywhere.
It's okay, I do agree with you. But it's actually, it's a tradition. Whether we are in our country or anywhere, I think the teachers are always respected in all over the world. I think it is my opinion or experience also. Yeah. Even in India, teachers are not respected that much as teachers are respected much more in Japan and Korea. I have experienced that.
Oh, really? They respect more than our India?
Yes, because even I have taught a person from Taiwan here in my city itself in 2000, and he came from Taiwan actually. He came here for giving some training to the factory people. A plastic factory was there, so he was there for training. So he came to know about me, means the local people of his factory brought him to me, and he wanted to learn English. He knew English, but he wanted to improve, and that time I used to take my classes here. So he studied here with me for 2 months in a classroom. All other students were Indians, but he was from Taiwan, and he was 40 that time, 40-year-old. I was 35 that time. Well, so he always called me teacher or by my name. He never called me like sir or something like that, because he told me that sir means boss, and boss is here and teacher is always here. He used to tell me all these things. And most of the time he invited all of my students of his classmate in a hotel for the dinner and all. So my local students, they were always excited to go to have dinner with him, because he was a rich man actually, and the students who were there in my classroom, they were from very middle class family, so they were always excited to have dinner in hotel with Robert Cow. So but how he respected me always. I realized that even on the table, he always waited for me to sit first. Other students, they sat down, but he stood like that. And when he always asked me to sit first, and after that he used to sit. And he went with me to visit Agra and Delhi and some other places also. That time I realized. And one more student, actually, that was a lady from Japan. She also told me all these things. Well, my point was different. That you think like this, that means we cannot. But actually, you can be a teacher, even you can be a better teacher than I am. But for that, a kind of devotion is needed. Getting my point? So it is not impossible. You cannot supersede. I must not use that word here, because supersede is not very appropriate word here. But when any student, if he is at a higher level than his teacher, and teacher is very happy.
That's what I mean to say. So see, even I don't know now how it is in India totally. I mean, in schools or education system or anything. But again, when I was in India as a child in like below 5th, 7th grade, or
That time was different actually.
it's a completely different thing.
Yes, yes.
The respect or the how we were treated the teachers and the way the conversation and even because I mean I'm not saying like you were scared about the teachers. It's not scared. The respect and the how
Yes, yes.
we used to give. That's what
That time was totally different actually,
Yeah.
Actually, there was a kind of affection, between students and teachers. They never means the teachers always treated their students as their own children, and the children even means the students, they always treated their teachers as their parents. So that was the bonding between teachers and students. But we have lost that kind of bonding these days. We don't find it easily because everything is somehow connected with the money.
Commercialized,
Yeah.
I mean to say.
Materialism, everything is connected with that materialism. Oh, I am going to teach, how much I am going to get. This means their thinking is like this. I am going to teach, oh, I am going to take 5 classes, how much should I be paid? So that kind of thinking actually not good for the relation between students and teachers.
Yeah, even nowadays, like in schools and colleges also, like competition, and marks. I mean, that was not there that time. Like this much competition and publicity stand, all these things. I didn't see when I was kid all these things. Yeah, of course. I mean, it's completely different day by day, but yeah.
Suppose I say अगर मैं बोलूं एक सेंटेंस, आई स्पीक इन हिंदी, कि अगर आपकी शर्ट सफेद होती, अगर आपकी शर्ट सफेद होती तो मैं आपसे एक दिन के लिए उधार मांग लेता. Suppose this is the sentence. It's a conditional sentence, and how we can make it?
Let me try, then you can tell me.
Yeah, yes.
If your shirt is white, I will have lent your shirt for 1 day.
हाँ, it's देखिए, अगर होती, है नहीं एक्चुअली है नहीं, अगर होती, अगर आपकी शर्ट वाइट होती,
Okay, if your shirt
जो कि है नहीं, तो that should be past.
Yeah, your shirt had white.
नहीं, इसमें देखिए हैड अपन इसलिए नहीं लेंगे क्योंकि जैसे अगर होता कि तुम ऐसा करते तो पास्ट परफेक्ट में बनाते अपन, लेकिन ये सिंपल है. अगर आपकी शर्ट वाइट होती, इफ योर शर्ट वर वाइट, इफ योर शर्ट वर वाइट, तो मैं आपसे उधार मांग लेता एक दिन के लिए. तो आई वुड borrow your shirt for a day.
Okay, I would have borrowed.
would have borrowed इसलिए नहीं करेंगे अपन क्योंकि जैसे मैं बोलूं पास्ट कंडीशनल में जाते, जैसे मैं बोलता अगर आपके पास एक वाइट शर्ट होती उस दिन, तो मैं आपसे लेके पहन के इंटरव्यू में चला जाता।
ओके,
तो वो तो सही में पास्ट की बात थी। ये है कि है नहीं है भाई,
दोनों पास्ट में है,
दोनों पास्ट में है, लेकिन डिफरेंस है। अगर उस दिन आपके पास सफेद शर्ट होती तो मैं इंटरव्यू में निकल जाता, क्योंकि मैं पहन के जाता। तो इफ यू हैड तो वहां पे ये पास्ट परफेक्ट वाला रूल चलेगा। इफ यू हैड व्हाइट शर्ट, आई वुड हैव worn that white shirt to clear my interview। लेकिन यहाँ पे होती, जो कि है नहीं है आपकी शर्ट व्हाइट। if your shirt were white, I would borrow it for a day and I would go to market with my girlfriend to impress her, like this। अगर आपको पता चलता या आपको पता चल जाता कि घर में कोई नहीं है, तो क्या आप ताला लगा के जाते? सपोज दिस इज द सेंटेंस, अगर आपको पता होता कि घर के अंदर कोई नहीं है, तो क्या आप ताला लगा के जाते? Past perfect would have third form. If you had known that, अब इसमें हमारा डायरेक्ट या इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच भी जोड़ना पड़ेगा आपको, कि अगर आपको पता होता कि घर में कोई नहीं है। अब थोड़ा डिफरेंट हो गया ये। If you had known that there was nobody inside the house, कॉमा, तो आप ताला लगा के जाते। तो would you have locked the door? Should I write this or
no? That's fine.
तो मीन्स पास्ट कंडीशनल प्लस उसमें मैंने जोड़ दिया थोड़ा डायरेक्ट या इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच। If you had known that there was nobody inside the house, comma, would you have locked the door? अब आपने कहा हाँ, अगर मुझे पता होता तो मैं जरूर ताला लगा के ही जाता। Yes, if I had known it earlier, I would have locked the door. तो आपने पता क्यों नहीं किया? तो आपने पता क्यों नहीं किया? How can you make it?
Why won't you identify or like notice or something like that?
How didn't? Yeah, why didn't? Why? Yeah, why? How? Why didn't you notice that?
Notice that. Okay.
Why didn't you notice that? तो अभी आपने बोला why didn't you notice that? I couldn't notice that because something was boggling into my mind. मतलब मेरे दिमाग में कुछ चल रहा था. Boggle, boggle. You can use boggle. Something was boggling in my mind. I couldn't notice it as something was boggling into my mind. So who is going to be the responsible for that? अगर कुछ मिस हैपनिंग हो जाता, कोई बर्गलरी हो जाती, तो तुम क्या करते? कंडीशन, अगर मिस हैपनिंग हो जाती तो आप क्या करते?
If something go, I mean, go means like it's a present tense. If something was wrong, who be the responsible person? I mean,
अगेन वही कंडीशनल में जाइए, वही पास्ट कंडीशनल में. हो जाती, हुई नहीं. अगर हो जाती, if something bad, something wrong had happened, हाँ, तो वही पास्ट परफेक्ट में जाइए. समथिंग रॉन्ग हैड हैपेंड, अगर हो जाता.
ओके, समथिंग
रॉन्ग, इफ समथिंग रॉन्ग हैड हैपेंड,
ओके,
कॉमा, व्हाट वुड यू हैव डन?
ओके,
तो तुम क्या करते?
ओके,
What would you have done? क्या करते? अभी आप I am not sure कि मैं क्या करता, मुझे नहीं पता मैं क्या करता. I don't know what I was going to do in that situation. पर करता तो जरूर कुछ ना कुछ. Means I am not sure what I was going to do in that situation. If something bad had happened, I don't know what I was going to do. But I am sure I would have done something. Something or other, मतलब कुछ ना कुछ तो करता ही. I would have done something or other. So you know why I am asking you to practice such things again and again, because these are very important and बड़ी जल्दी दिमाग से निकल भी जाते हैं. तो the more you use, the better they'll be in your mind forever. क्योंकि ये बहुत होते हैं यूज. लाइक सपोज ऐसे भगवान आपको सारी दुनिया की खुशियां दे, तो जब भी किसी को कुछ देना है, भगवान से मांगना है कि भगवान दे, तो मे गॉड ब्लेस यू विथ, हमेशा ऐसे बनाइए, मे गॉड bless you with. किसी को आपको पुत्र का आशीर्वाद देना है, भगवान आपको पुत्र दे, मे गॉड ब्लेस यू विद द सन, मे गॉड ब्लेस यू विद द सक्सेस, भगवान आपको सफलता दे. सिमिलरली, मे गॉड ब्लेस यू विथ ऑल द रिचेस ऑफ द वर्ल्ड, भगवान आपको दुनिया की सारी खुशियां दे. May God bless you with all the riches of the world. May God bless you with all the riches of the world. भगवान आपको सारी दुनिया की सारी खुशियां दे. Sometimes we may curse someone or some, like may he I don't actually recommend that sentence, but we must know this. Like suppose we curse someone, may he die soon. भगवान करे कि वो मर जाए जल्दी. Sometimes may you get well soon. May you get well soon. When we go to see someone who is sick, we go to hospital to meet, we always pray to God, may you get well soon. I pray to God for your speedy recovery. Like this. One more, then we'll discuss something. I hope you might have already taken your morning drink. अभी मैं बोल भी रहा हूं और एक एक्सपेक्ट भी कर रहा हूं, you might have already taken your morning drink by now. कि अब तक आपने मॉर्निंग ड्रिंक ले लिया होगा. आपका मॉर्निंग ड्रिंक ले लिया होगा अब तक. You might have taken. I'm not sure. That's why I'm saying कि ले लिया होगा. Strong possibility होती तो हम बोलते you must have taken. You must have taken your morning drink by now. So what is the answer?
Sorry?
Have you taken your
Yeah, I have taken my morning drink.
You have already taken your morning drink.
Morning.
So do you take warm drink or what? Green tea?
Warm water.
Warm water.
Morning. That's what I'm drinking now.
Warm water, yes, it's very good. गर्म पानी पीना चाहिए जितना पी सकते हो. We must drink lukewarm water as much as we can. In morning, it's good for health. It is going to clean our intestine properly. And when we are able to clean our intestine, that will work nicely again. Okay, so let's discuss something. So we'll practice like this for 15 or 20 minutes every day, I think. That will be better instead of just forgetting everything for few days. It is not good, I think. So at least for 15 or 20 minutes, we must review our grammar portion, and later we can discuss and read articles also. Okay. So
do we have any group sessions, Subrati?
this time actually I have no students other than you.
Oh, okay.
That may be because of lockdown or something, whatever, because the people they don't have much money with them. The government has left no money with the people because they are without job. Earlier I had many students in March from India, but as one of them was of your age and he was a manager in hotel, and he was very happy by taking classes with me, but unfortunately he didn't get his salary, so stop. So group session is not there, but in future if we may have,
Okay.
then definitely I can invite you to join that. Well, so ask me anything if you want to. So did you watch any movie yesterday?
Yeah, we not movie that there are some festival programs in Telugu language.
Okay.
And the celebrities, they do some kind of festival things, right? Some dance programs, some skits and everything. Like how they do like a film fair awards or something like that. It's not like awards, but kind of like festival.
Their way of celebration I really like, the South people, the way of celebration of Hindus festival is really very nice, because the people they adorn themselves with the means they what I should say means they make themselves model or idol, like Devi, Lord, or Krishna, and they all means walk on the road like a group. It is really very nice to see. Just a few days back I was watching a movie, watching a video from South, and it is very good to see. But in North India we hardly see such type of things. Actually they're devoted, actually means the priest in temples have, because I have got some of the temples in my city. One temple, not some, one temple, that is Tirupati. So that is the model of Tirupati, and that temple was made by some South Indian communities here in my city. So that temple is very beautiful. The temple is beautiful in a very large area, and so we also go there. And so there, the priest, they speak in Sanskrit. They speak in Sanskrit. They bless in Sanskrit. It is good, really.
We visited Swaminarayan temple in New Jersey.
I have never, but I know the name.
Yeah, but again, it's I'm not devotee of Swaminarayan or anybody, but what happened, the infrastructure and the
So beautiful.
so beautiful, and the way they build the buildings, and it's not easy. That's what I mean to say. If you go inside, to that temple or the pieces, and it's a very huge temple, but we get like some kind of pleasure and peacefulness, and you know what I'm saying. I'm not saying like about what the organization. I'm not discussing about all those things, but Lord Krishna was there. I think the temple was, it was very, very beautiful.
Actually, it is, from here, some of the, or most of the people in my country, India, most of the people, they think that they have come here to make money, that's all. That is their intention, so they do it. But but some of the good people, they are the representative of God. They think that they have come here for a purpose. So they want to complete it before they die. So they are always going to utilize their time for the betterment of the people. So that's why they always do some creativity. It should be, that can be better in that way, that can be better in that way. Whether they are going to make money from it or not, that they don't have that kind of feeling. They know they need food to eat, that's all. They need a place to live in, that's all. They need 2 pieces of cloths to wrap their body, that's all. And they know it very well that they have come here to do something, and that is the order by that Almighty. So they do it, and that's why I appreciate their efforts, and they do it. So that world is going on, or if you think that something better is left here, or something good is left here, that is because of such people only. It is my thinking.
Again, I mean, Subhaji, I'm not like, as I said, I believe on God, right? You said like on God, right?
I believe in God, believe in God. I believe in God.
I believe in God, okay? But I'm not like kind of like I do puja every day and I go to temple every day. I'm not that kind of person, but I visit the temple. You know what I'm saying?
Actually, that doesn't mean you go to temple or not, but you are a strong believer in God. That is different point actually, you're different thing. That doesn't mean you go to temple, you are a strong believer. I don't agree with this. Nobody will agree. Something means when you are at that level where you think the person whom you are talking is also the son or the daughter of that Almighty. If you are at that level, it means you are very close to that Almighty. But when you talk to anybody and thinking of your selfishness, and you can never be close to the God. But when I am talking to you, I have a feeling that He is also the Son of that Almighty. When you see any lady, any girl, whoever they may be, if you have a feeling that she is also my daughter, she is like my mother, she is like my sister, if you have that kind of feeling in you, you are closed to the God. But still, if a little bit of gandagi is there, you can never be closed. You still have to do a lot to make your heart, your channels pure and clean. Lot of things are there. Well, so it's enough for today.